Hi everyone! Today's weekend shojin ryori is cabbage soup. It is a soup made by boiling cabbage and kombu kelp in water. The only seasoning is salt. I call it the ultimate simple soup. It looks sober, but the moment you drink it, you should feel well. It's very easy and delicious. Let's make it together. Ingredients. First, wash the cabbage and cut it into 1/8 size. At this time, if you separate it from the core, it will fall apart, so be careful. Heat the oil in a pan and fry both sides of the cabbage firmly and put them in a pot. By frying, the sweetness of the cabbage is maximized. Cut the kombu kelp into 5 cm and put them in a pot. Add water and heat. As soon as it boils a little, reduce the heat to the minimum, cover it with a lid, and simmer for about 20 minutes. When the cabbage is tender, add Shio Koji or salt to adjust the taste. It's done. You can also add black pepper if you like. You can feel the flavor of the cabbage that has been fried. It's a delicious soup because it doesn't contain extra seasonings. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mold, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。